Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily deactivate your Instagram account. So follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First we need to open your store because we need to make sure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Once you get that done, open Instagram. Of course you have to be logged into your account. Then tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From your profile, you tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. This takes us to settings. In settings, tap on account center, and then in account center, locate manage accounts. That should be towards the bottom of the screen right here. Tap on it. Once you're inside, tap on manage this button right here. This is the option that we're looking for. It says deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, it should be set by default on deactivate account. Keep it selected and then tap on continue once you're done. From here, you might want to read these details. Once you're done, of course, tap on continue. In this screen, you need to fill up your password correctly. And again, once you're done, tap on continue. You might want to select one of these reasons in this screen. Once you're done selecting, scroll down and tap on continue. In this screen, when you scroll down, you find out that your account will be reactivated automatically unless you change it and set it to don't reactivate automatically. If you want it to be activated automatically, you might want to select another option. Once you're done, tap on continue again. Now this is the last step. You confirm from here that you want to deactivate your account once you tap on deactivate account. And that is it guys. I hope it was easy. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much for watching.